Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to add widget to the lock screen, like the clock widget or weather widget like that. So simply go to the lock screen and press and hold the lock screen. Now we can customize the lock screen here. To add the widget, tap on the option add widgets. You can see some widget, you can see here battery, calendar, camera, clock, device care, digital well-being, like that. So from the list of widget section, you have to select your widget that you want to add to your lock screen. So simply here I am going to select the widget weather. Tap on this one. So here you can see some designs you can see here. So according to your choice, you can select any one. So here I am going to select this one. This one. Okay. Tap on done. Now you can see successfully I added the weather widget to the lock screen. Actually, widgets helps you see useful information without unlocking your phone. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.